We just hit 45 NSX NC1 videos, and we wanted to run down some of the best ones that you should know if you own an NSX. So here we go. All right, we kick it off with the battery removal and install video. Now this was a good video. We removed the battery, installed one, and we showed how to do it. But then we decided to do a video of how to check the voltage on your battery and how to remove the cover and see the condition of your battery. And we also did a video on how to connect a battery charger and how we set up our battery maintenance charger for our NC1, which is really cool because we have the battery charger attached to the outside of the hood, and it's a really cool thing. And then Elise made the video about the NSX hybrid EV battery setup, how long the battery lasts and the type of battery and some information. That's a great video. And then after that, we talked about the engines. Elise went over the Cosworth connection of the NSX engine. And then we actually talked about the NC1 engine. And then we did an air filter change DIY. Very helpful because we showed Trick how to get that rear clip, which is awesome. And then we showed how to redo the key on the NSX fob, how to refinish it because it's all scratched. And then we showed people some tips on how to jack up your NSX, not lift it, but how to jack it. And then we talked about how to check your oil level, which is a good video. But then we did a video about how to check the oil life and what it means and how the predictive algorithm works. At least did that video. That was good. And then we gave some oil change tips because this oil change is not easy in my opinion. And then after that, we started to talk about different things like the NSX transmission. At least did a good video talking about that transmission and how cool it is, the first 9-speed DCT transmission, and how it really is a masterpiece in my opinion. Then we have some other videos where we go into when we got the car, the story about the car, how we redid our window stickers, and then we have other videos where we compare it to the NA1, where we talk about our McLaren, and we just have tons of videos. So make sure you check out our playlist. It's a really cool thing to be able to just scroll down and look at the libraries of our videos. All right, thanks for watching.